welcome back to the Priime channel. I want to give you guys a quick update here in the shop, and then later today we're going to go dirt biking. But for now, let's take a look at what we're working on. So behind us, we have both the SCNS cars. We have Daniel's Mark III Supra looking clean. We also have Henry's S13/S14 240 also looking clean. They just look so much better. I mean, the cars, besides the dents, look freaking brand new. The guys are gonna wrap these up over the next couple days. They're working on the rear bumper right now. You guys have seen Krusty the Corvette, our piece of junk Corvette we got for 150 bucks. So this past weekend we had Ty DA the entire car. He absolutely killed it. It's so smooth and perfect. And then on Saturday, we had Bevs in here wrapping it. They got the trunk panel done, the rear quarter, the passenger door, passenger fender, the hood. And to be honest, it looks freaking amazing. Obviously, you guys remember that this cost me $150. So throwing about $350 to $400 worth of wrap on it, as of right now, I mean, we're all in less than 500 bucks, and it's gonna look sick. We went with a super kind of OEM true spec color so that it's nothing too flashy. And if we want to change it out, we can go ahead and change it out. But the plan is just wheels, tires, coils, maybe some type of angle kit up front. Gonna swap the ECU, and then we're having fun. But right now we're gonna go drive to Panzer Performance and deliver that E30 and check out a client's car. He has actually 6 or 7 cars he wants us to work on. So we're gonna go over there, check out the car, do our thing. But let's go check this E30 out. All right guys, so here you have it. Tom's fresh, number 111 spec E30. As you saw in some of the photos, this car came in looking pretty rough. It had kind of a painted livery. You can kind of see it through the wrap right here on the front, but the rest we just did a custom kind of retro BMW look for it. And this is actually a gift for our client to give to one of his friends. So super cool gift. But yeah, wraps like this, they're actually pretty straightforward to do. So you basically print a whole side like you guys have seen us do before, and you lay the entire side. All you got to do is remove the mirrors. The guys actually went ahead and painted these. So everything looks super, super solid. And like I was saying in the last video, this class is so much fun to race in because all of the power, they have to be within like 5 horsepower of each other. So very competitive racing series, not the fastest cars in the world, but plenty for the short circuit stuff that they do. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and drive this over to Panzer, get this over to him, and then go check out some of those other cars. All right guys, so I'm driving this spec E30 right now. I got an ECU hanging on by a thread. Looks like there may have been a fire in this car before, I'm not sure. Is Tom here or no? Yeah. Oh, okay. Somewhere. I'll run around front to grab. How you doing? Good. Yeah? You look professional today.
This is me.
This is you. This is new.
24/7. I don't work. I've been working
Business Tom. This is 2022 Tom.
This came out nice. We haven't ruined it yet.
Yeah, we're working with 11 degrees of negative camera in the front.
5.
8. We'll agree on 8. Painted that lower, just kept it clean.
I'm gonna get this one over to you next to get the rest of the livery finished.
Nice.
Just to match the other side.
Yeah, the Crown Vic looks spicy, dude.
I wrecked a lady driver this weekend.
No.
Yeah, I put her in the fence.
Come on.
She ran me out of room. I went down the apron. I stopped moving.
You guys fight after?
No.
She'd probably kick your ass.
She was big.
In that league?
Like the 3 of us put together.
In that league, a woman Crown Vic driver?
She was big.
She's kicking Tom's ass.
The 3 of us combined were like her.
1994 AGY R32. Oh, we're starting her. What was that, the Priime on the carburetor?
You're my Chinese lady? Listen, wait.
Welcome! guys are really tending to these batteries. She just needs 300 cold cranking amps and we'll be fine. Yeah, it's clean setup. Clean setup.
Like I said, it was built like
Like Yokohama was like a booth car.
Yeah, well, they time attacked it for many, many years. Like,
Oh yeah, a nice RV.
it has a big clutch in it.
Big RB guys, dude. Big RB guys. Damn, fancy stuff, dude. Fancy stuff. Yes.
Look how big the boost gauge is.
Yeah, dude, big boost guy.
HKS.
All right, guys, so that was a quick look into the wraps we got going on this week. Both of these will get finished. We'll show you a quick montage of what the guys are doing working on those. We also knocked out that skateboard order, which turned out epic. And then we helped out our buddy Garrett with he actually owns a cool business. So he actually cleans trash bins. So he has this arm that picks up your trash bins, power washes them out. I don't know, but we helped him out with a sick trailer. But tonight, we're going hogging. So I'm going to Tampa MX up in Tampa. Keith, what's up?
I gotta let the people know the Miata's gonna be started tomorrow.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that. Anyway, tonight we're going to Tampa MX. Motocross is something new that we're really getting into. So we're gonna go have some fun, see what this whole MX school is all about. I think they just let you kind of warm up. You guys work on different features, work on like seat bumping, all that different stuff. So we're gonna go tonight and hang out, and I'll give you guys the POV from my GoPro. So we'll end it off here at the shop. I'll see you guys at Tampa MX. All right, guys, so it looks like we've reached our destination, and I had no idea that there was a sick dirt oval track right next door. So definitely gonna check out their event schedule, because those are definitely pretty fun events. So it looks like we are here. Wow. Forgot to put the GoPro on for the practice. Let me tell you this, your boy needs a lot of work. A lot of work. But I think we got a 5-10 minute break, and then we're gonna break up into groups and start hitting some features. So make sure to put the GoPro on for this. Favor for you. I think I just dislocated my right shoulder, or potentially broke my collarbone. All right, guys, so I'm just finishing up editing this sad, stupid vlog with this dumb fall. And here I am in this stupid sling for the next 4 to 6 weeks. But you know what? This stuff happens. I bit off a little bit more than I could chew and went down. You know, new surface. Honestly, not that good at jumping stuff, so that was an issue. But after I broke it, I ended up driving about an hour and a half from Tampa MX to Sarasota Memorial, and I just wanted to get back down to kind of close to my house, bring the bike home, and yeah, waited 5 hours for an ice pack, and then the doctor told me there's nothing you can do really for it. So I'm just here hanging out, not in a ton of pain, which is good. Just, you know, can't do what I normally do as fast as I normally do it. Even getting a shirt on is quite a challenge. So we'll keep moving forward. Sorry that these are late. We have a bunch of really cool stuff coming up, so definitely keep an eye out for that stuff. But just wanted to share the pathetic fall with you guys so you can all point fingers and laugh. And hopefully it doesn't happen again. But I think that'll do it for today. Enough shame, and I will see you guys on the next one.